Okay, so we've got a nice police car here. I'm a big fan of police cars. This is by REOBRIX, model number 816, Technology. 404 pieces, it's a 14 plus set. It's got a nice embossed box. Usually these things don't come with a box. This is bought from AliExpress. Our friends over at AliExpress. I bought a few Knight Rider cars, as some of you will know if you watch any of my other videos, and they seem to be quite popular. And I love police cars. I'm planning on doing a Final Destination animation, actually, the log truck scene. Did it once already many years ago, which is still on my channel actually. In fact, it's on my other channel, Retro Gadget Man. So it's there for you to see. It's only on for about a minute, I think, if that. I never completed it, but I'm going to redo it all. I needed a police car. It's not the actual one that's in the film, Final Destination. I forget which one it was now. Was it 2? The log scene where the logs come off the back and it goes through the windscreen of the police car. So yeah, I think that one was a green. It might have been a Taurus. I forget now. But this is the closest thing I could find that I liked, and it was a good price. I think it was about 14 or 15 pounds at the time. Well, I've had it a few months now. I've been meaning to make it for ages. But yeah, it's nice to have something in the box for a change, because normally just get them in those horrible tacky bags, don't you? While I was editing this video, I thought I'll just check and see if it's still available, and sure enough it is. And the price has come down, would you believe it? But of course this may not include shipping. So watch out for that, because sometimes they sting you at the end. Interestingly, it's a lot more money, nearly double the price, or over double the price, to have it without the box. So I'm not quite sure what's going on there. So yeah, so let's get this thing open, shall we, and get it built. See what it's like. It might be awful. I've never had anything from REOBRIX before. It's usually Mold King. So we've got a manual, which is always good, because sometimes you don't even get these. Sometimes it's a PDF download. Oh, we've got a sticker sheet. Oh, that'd be interesting putting those on. 2015 there. I wonder if that's the year the set came out. But first glance at the instructions, they look pretty good. So we'll see how we get on with it. And there's all your parts listing there at the back. Well, quite a lot of parts. Well, 404, isn't there? So yeah, let's get to building it and see what it's like. We've got the manufacturer there on the package. So it looks like the bags are numbered. So we've got up to 8. Let's see what the instructions say. Doesn't mention which bag first. Sometimes, like Lego, I'll tell you which one to open first. Well, it's obvious, I suppose, isn't it? So yeah, let's get bag 1 open. Very shiny pieces. Feels very sturdy. You can definitely feel the difference between this and Lego. This plastic is a lot harder. Takes a lot more effort to push it down together. See, it's bowing there, look. Okay, so that's page 1 and 2 by the looks of it. I don't think I've missed anything out. It's interesting, this is obviously the wheelbase then. Normally they have a moulded piece for this. This has got a bit more to it. So I guess it's bag 2 next, because there's bits here now I don't have. Bag 2. There we go, we got there in the end. very stiff to put together compared to Lego. The Lego pieces just sort of glide onto each other, don't they? But the plastic's a lot sort of softer, more oily, to me anyway. Looks like it's going to be quite a big vehicle actually. Okay, we'll see bag 3 now. One thing for sure, it's very sturdy. That's the aerial there, but I'm going to put that on last I think, because I want to risk breaking it. So that's the back end done. Quite a lot of pieces to that as well, but it's very sturdy. It's got a bit of weight to it as well. Bag 4 now. Just noticed that actually give you a brick separator. I didn't notice that before. Certainly an unusual looking one. Looks like the back of a fish, doesn't it? Here we go. This must be where the perpetrator fits in the back there, look. It's the mesh window. So that goes on there. Well, that was satisfying. So that's the halfway point now. That's bag 4 of 8. As you can see, it's come a long way. No missing parts so far. Made a couple of mistakes, but I've changed it along the way. Very stiff pieces. You certainly don't want to make any mistakes because trying to get them off again is quite difficult. Very small bag 5 now. And the little skateboard piece or roller skate piece. I guess they're using those as door handles, which is good. I bet this is a little computer control panel. There we go, we've got a steering wheel now and a little computer control panel. Bag 6. Oh, put that in the wrong place. Let's try this brick separator. Oh, it works. Wow. That's still in the wrong place. I should have put that there, should I? This is very fiddly. I guess it's part of the front light cluster. Okay, let's see if we can get these on now that I'm blowing up and going everywhere. I think that's it. If it is wrong, I guess I'll have to change it in a bit, but it looks right to me. Okay, it's time for the other wheel arches now. I must say, the clutch with the bricks is very good on this set. One of the Knight Rider cars I built, I forget which one it was, the front end just kept falling to pieces. Bag 7. I guess that's the window wipers. My first mishap with the set. Thought it'd be fun to play it back in slow motion. Okay, a little mishap there, but it's back together now. Okay, so I made a mistake earlier. This front part here, that needs to be slightly off centre, like that, because it needs to be forward enough for it to fit one of these on like that, and then that slope, and then that one. Okay, we can put the bonnet back on now. There we go. Much better. Okay, exciting part now, getting the glass on. That window's a bit awkward, but it's on now. And there we have it. That's it, without its stickers at the moment. And you know what? There's not one piece over. Not one piece, and there was no pieces missing. That would nearly fit the aerial. Okay, it's time to get the sticker sheet on. Get all these stickers applied. Interestingly, there's not one here for the computer screen inside the police car, where they get the information up. So that's a bit disappointing. And here it is all finished now that the stickers have been applied. Didn't do a great job on the stickers, but they're pretty straight for the most part. And it's quite an impressive size, measuring 7.6 inches in length, 3 inches wide and 2.7 inches in height. My biggest gripe with this set is that when you try to put the roof on, it tends to collapse inwards because the sides of the canopy have nowhere to rest. It also didn't come with any minifigs. So I put my own 2 minifigs in here and there's not much space. In fact, you can't even get the roof on. It won't go all the way down, even if you remove the hair pieces. So you would have to modify the inside of the vehicle to be able to fit 2 figures. And also the dashboard is sparse and there's no sticker for the computer panel. Apart from that, I think it's a really nice model for the money. Like I said, I paid around £15 for this, and at the moment it's just under £12. I think it's definitely worth that. It's a shame LEGO themselves don't do more cars like this in the Speed Champions range. Would love to see some police cars. And here it is again with my own figures. I look forward to using this in my LEGO Final Destination 2 animation in the future sometime. If you like that kind of thing, stay tuned. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching that with me. As always, thanks for watching, and until the next video, I'll be seeing you. And if you did enjoy watching this video, you may want to consider looking at some of my other videos on similar themes. I'm usually buying something on eBay to relive that nostalgia, and I have plenty more videos planned for the future. Thanks for watching.